Right now, just in the past a couple of weeks, there are two companies that have talked about having made the first indigenous cell in India. So, one is Godi Energy, the second is Ola, who just announced that yesterday. So, what are your thoughts about the future supply chain? Because one, we are trying to get away from China dependency. The second is obviously the raw materials still not available in India. So, what do you
Absolutely.
think about the cell manufacturing as we move along?
See, I'm very glad this has come up because and I'm very happy that Godi has achieved that. Now let's just see when they have got even their BIS certification. That is what they have also published, and let's just see when they come in for a full-fledged commercial production. Now, something is that I'll also say is about the PLI scheme that has come up. The government has allocated 10 companies have bid it, and four, I think five of them, four or five of them have been allocated the tender here. But the thing is, we have to really work on the supply chain. And with the current geopolitical situation that has been arising of, we have to innovate something on the lithium ion supply chain. So yeah, we were at Godi and Ola announcing. I'm sorry for the disruption in between. So,
Yeah.
so the
So,
thing is,
PLI, we were talking
yeah,
about the PLI
yeah.
schemes.
Yeah, so the PLI scheme is one good step where we're talking about 18,000 crores being allocated for this entire manufacturing in India. Very, very nice. But the supply chain challenge still remains. And till the time we do not have a very geopolitically strategic alliance, we will not be able to overcome these supply chains, the supply chain bottlenecks that we have. So what we need to do right now is focus on hybridization. We need to have more technologies coming up wherein we can have multiple different type of technologies. Like the other day I was seeing sodium sulfur, I was seeing sodium ion, and the other technologies also need to come up to supplement this entire energy storage need that we have. I mean, recently in one of the publications by I think IESA, they're talking of just the renewable energy sector to have 230 gigawatt of energy storage. So imagine if that is the quantum we are looking at, what amount of supply chain and what amount of innovation and what amount of manufacturing we need in our country to actually achieve that. And that's just for the RE sector or the stationary storage. We have not considered the EVs in that. So if we consider the EV and the way EVs are taking up and picking up, it will be much higher.